I just did my first quick weave, as you can see. My stylist canceled on me, and it was like her first time doing that, but I guess all I needed was one time. So now I have a DIY quick weave. So in this video, you'll see what I did, the methods I used. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and comment on this video if you like it, and let me know what you think. Let me know any methods or other techniques that you think I could use.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, if I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grass, laying side by side. You could be my baby, and I make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. go to the club with your boys, baby. I ain't never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most. We take a picture, can't post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say my, say my? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Allow me to get back on makes that choice like me. And later, when Father and I welcomed you into the world, I knew it was the right time for us both.
I appreciate you telling me this, but it's not going to change my mind.
I didn't think it would. I'm sharing because I want you to understand that I do support your right to make your own decisions. And if you are sure that you don't want to have kids, it's fine. I
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Question, tell me what you think about me.
Thanks.
Oh, jump scare.
Olivia.
It's all over, please get up in me. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Not a gun for me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own funnel and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoe on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking. 'Cause I depend on me if I wanted the watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving. I depend on me. Tell me how you feel about this. Do what I want, live how I want, love is this. I worked hard and sacrificed to get what I get. Ladies, it ain't easy being independent. Question, how'd you like his knowledge that I brought? Bragging on that cash that he gave you at the front. If you're gonna brag, make sure it's your money in front. You know no one else to give you what you want. On my feet, clothes I'm wearing, I'm riding. 'Cause I depend on me if I want it, the watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving. I depend on me. I depend on me.
Curl, so I'm about to put this in flexi rods and just hope for the best and see how it turns out. Honestly, it looks like from the front it could look like it's coming out of my scalp, but we'll see. Okay, so I just have to take this flexi rod out real quick, and it's okay, it's giving body wave, but I'll show the result.